Looking for the perfect earrings, especially right now for the holidays, for gifts. Let me tell you about this free sample provided by IMOLOVE, and they are beautiful 925 sterling silver earrings, as you can see here. They're elegant, versatile, and I just love them because they are hypoallergenic, lightweight, durable, and they are perfect for sensitive ears like mine. I can match them with my favorite jewelry, and they look so beautiful, especially if you're going to like tie your hair up. They are very comfortable. They, if even if you take off a jacket, a blouse, super comfortable. I love the packaging. This is even great. I'm planning to order more for gifting during the holidays, and I hope you check them out. They have different styles, different designs, and I hope you love them as much as I do. The diamond is a lab created diamond, but it shines so beautifully that to me looks like a real diamond. So they are great for the price, and they also come with the individual plastic wrapping packages. I hope you enjoyed my review. I hope you check them out because they are absolutely gorgeous. And thank you for watching.